Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on Snapchat Maps without PC. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Then, search for Location Changer and tap on it. Now install the Location Changer app. Once it's installed, open the app. Here, give the app location permission by tapping on while using the app. Now, search for the location you want to change to. As you can see, the location has changed, but to make it work fully, we need to enable mock location. Now, tap on yes when prompted to enable developer options. Then tap on yes again. Next, scroll down and tap on software information. Now, tap on build number multiple times until developer mode is enabled. After that, go back to the main settings and search for developer options. Tap on it and make sure the toggle is turned on. Then, scroll down and tap on select mock location app. Here, choose Location Changer from the list. Go back to the Location Changer app. Tap on yes when it asks for notification access permission. Then tap on Allow. Next, open the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now scroll down and tap on Snap Map. Here, turn on Cost Mode and note your current location. Then go back to the Location Changer app again. Tap on Start. You'll need to watch an ad. When it's done, your location will be changed. Finally, open Snapchat again, tap on your profile icon and go to Snap Map. Now, you'll see your new location has been updated successfully. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.